Hello there, it's me, it's Jenny of Just Jenny Journaling. Just to say, this is going to be a flip through of these two journals. These have been what we've been going through from start to finish on my journal with me, how to create your first junk journal. So I thought I would do them separately because there's two, one personal, one for a friend, and one that I will be featuring in a giveaway a bit later on this evening. So the first one I will do initially is my own personal journal, which I've made for an assembly day, a religious assembly day on Sunday, I think it is. So this is going to be my scripture journal and my notes for the day. It's actually called, it's based on a scripture from Galatians 6, and it's do not give up in doing what is fine. So this is my journal that I've made for me, and I've done it really sort of quite vintagey, quite shabby, as you can see. I've put a little bit of scripture on the back, and I've done the dictionary definition of fine here, just tore it out and sort of inked it. I did a few little beads, little pretty beads on the side there, just because really. So I won't speak very much, hopefully, in this. Just take you through. Start off with a little pocket, just with a few extra notes. This one doesn't have loads of pockets and tags and things because I really do want it just mainly for note taking for the day, but I wanted it to be pretty and pleasing to the eye. So this is from just a lovely book, art book that I have, and I basically on tracing paper typed out the program. That's the first talk, and what I've done is I've just stamped. I've used some of my stamps, different papers and washi. Review question, second talk, beautiful stamps, graph paper, this is from Paper Chase, this paper block, I stamped, just a bit of washi on the graph paper. Greetings card. That's going to be through the morning session, I think. Is it the morning session? I can't remember now. No, it's not the morning session. Oh yeah, that was the morning session, the notes of the morning session, so it's quite short. That's the afternoon. I actually quite liked this really chunky centre signature tie off. So it's for me, so I left it like that. But the others I've made a bit more tidy. Stamping again. I like to be a bit shabby there. From a botanical book that I've got. My next series of journals are going to be botanical and floral, I've decided, and so I've started to delve into those books already, just having a look. Just a bit of stamping there, a bit of stamping, and again just decorated the two pages, put them together with a bit of washi and stamping. And this I really liked, I liked that little bit there, so I sort of kept it on as a flip out. And I might just journal on that bit. I don't know. I might just journal on this bit. This is the second signature. But from the same. These are from the same book, I think. Stamping. I liked this. I went in and got hashtag love this. I thought I'd do that. And again, just a little bit of washi. A friend, recently my dad sadly passed away, And this funny card, even though I don't like bugs, was given to me by a friend, and I don't like bugs at all, to be honest, but I love the colours on this, and I thought it would be nice just to pop into my writing journal because it's got all that embellishing. So I will actually make notes on that. Just layered bits of paper. I just, yeah, went a bit mad with the stamping here, just because. What's that? What did I do there? Ah, I did, on this, I just printed out the scripture, Galatians 6, on a piece of tracing paper and sort of pinned it in. I like it, but not everybody's cup of tea. Oh, plain page, don't believe it. Okay. So plenty of room for my notes, which is really quite important for the day. I love this, I love the gold. And I liked the way this stamp reflected the little pattern on the page. I don't know if you can see it. I was quite excited about that. To the side of that card, I just and graph paper. I've layered it with different, just different paper. I've cut that bit off there and washed it onto here just for a bit of effect. I love that. That's beautiful. The other side of that, the other signature, the signature cover. And I've just put little pockets in, tiny little card here. As I say, not lots and lots of room for extra bits and pieces because it's going to be for mine just for the day. So that's the front, that's the back, and there you go. That's my little. I just threaded some ribbon through the back of the stitching there. So that's that. That was the first one, the Do Not Give Up in Doing What Is Fine. I hope you've enjoyed having looked through it. I'm going to do the next one, which is a similar, well, a slightly different style. So but that's an assembly one as well. Okay, so I'll see you soon. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, or share this video with somebody. I'm also on Instagram. I'm just Jenny Journaling on Instagram. If you're very busy and you just want to see, I do try and do daily posts of different things, and give you an idea of every time I do a new video, and just the projects I'm working on, or just having a bit of fun for the day. See you again. Take care. Bye bye.